In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build an effective bookmark manager in Notion. I can't tell you how many times I've been scrolling through Twitter and I favorited a tweet because it had a tool in it that I liked, or how many times I've been talking to a friend and they mentioned a website that I should check out, or maybe I'm browsing the internet in Google Chrome and I add a bookmark for a page that I want to remember to come back to. The one central source that I find to be the best way to keep all of your bookmarks in one place and organized how you want to see them is to put them all into Notion. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to build a bookmark manager in Notion. Before we jump into this bookmark manager is part of my paid template called the Productive Brain. And if you want to go ahead and get this template, I'm actually doing a Black Friday sale and we're going to have 30% off the Productive Brain. I only have done a 30% off sale one other time, and that was when we first released the template. This time around, we're doing one more 30% off sale, and then we're pretty much not going to do any sales until next Black Friday. In fact, I don't think we're going to be doing any sales full stop until next Black Friday. So if you want to pick this up for a discounted rate and get the full template, which includes the bookmark manager that I'm going to show you how to build in this video, but it also includes a quick capture box here that allows you to take notes, tasks, and bookmarks very quickly. It has a task manager that allows you to keep track of what your main focus is, what's past due, what's due soon. And then it also has this nice spaces area where I can click into and I can see all of the different tasks or bookmarks or notes that I have associated with a specific space. So I have tons of spaces in here, all sorts of different areas of my life, and it's nice to be able to keep track of all of this. The other nice thing is we have these routine pages like the focus mode page, which allows you to quickly just see what the main focus is for today and then start checking those tasks off. I'm working on updating this template right now and releasing the 1.1 version, so keep an eye out for that as well. Once you do purchase this template, you will get all future updates, and I'm going to be changing this template as Notion changes so that it can help you guys stay more productive and have a central second brain. All right, now I'm going to step off of my soapbox and I'm going to be teaching you guys how to build this bookmark manager 100% for free in this video. So we're just starting out with a fresh page here, and I'm just going to call this home page. So this is where we're going to embed our bookmark manager. And then within this, I'm going to hit slash and type page, then hit enter. And here I'm just going to call this bookmarks manager. Okay, and for the icon, actually, we don't want to add an icon yet. We want to turn this into a table. And then we can hit new database, and now we can add an icon. So just go to icons, and there's actually this nice little bookmark icon, which I think is ideal for this specific use case. So I'm going to use that. Let's just go with the pink bookmark here. Shows up really nice on that dark mode here. And by the way, if you want to toggle between dark mode and light mode, that is Command-Shift-L. So you can see what your bookmark manager looks like with dark mode versus light mode. Now I'm going to name this initial table here all bookmarks. And one of the new features that Notion has introduced is this little button right here that allows you to choose an icon for your database as well. We're going to name this column bookmark, and this is the name column. It should have this little uppercase and lowercase a. But what we're going to do here is we're also going to change the icon to a bookmark just to keep everything uniform and looking nice. And then I'm going to delete this tags property. We don't need that in here. And then we're just going to add two more simple properties here. We're going to add a checkbox and we're going to call it favorite. And I'm just going to size that down and then click into this checkbox. And we're going to select the icon of the heart. So these are going to be like our pinned bookmarks if we check these off. Let's delete these old pages for now. And then most importantly, let's add a URL property. So this URL property is going to be just that. It's going to be the URL of the bookmark. Let's just use the link. And actually, you're going to want to add one more property here as well. And that is going to be a formula property. I'm going to hit the plus button here, type in formula, and click on this formula type. And then we're just going to call this is favorited ? And we can, for the formula, we can just put something like question here. And now let's hit the new button here to get a new row in here. so that we can enter the formula. We're just going to click into this empty space, and you're going to paste this formula here. Okay, I have this linked in the description below, and basically what this is saying is if the property of favorite, so they're looking at this favorite property right here, equals true, meaning it's checked, then it's going to populate a heart in here, okay, like I have here. And if it's not true, then it's just going to populate nothing. So that's how we're going to see that heart appearing on our favorited bookmarks. If you want to change the symbol in here, you can do that as well. Some people might prefer to do like a push pin like this here, and that will do pretty much the same thing. Now I'm just going to add a few bookmarks. So now I've entered quite a few bookmarks in here, and I can choose to favorite a few of these. Okay, so now if you remember right, we have the home page up here in our breadcrumbs still. So let's go back to that home page, and you'll notice that we have the bookmarks manager page. So we can always go in here and manage things if we need to, but let's stay on the home page for now and just type / and then type linked and click on this linked view of database. We're going to select the bookmark manager that we just created. And then I'm going to go ahead and hide this title, and we're going to click on these 3 dots up here, and I'm going to switch the layout to a gallery. And now we have these nice little cards that pop up. Let's change the card size to small, and let's change the card preview to page cover. Now back out of layout and go to properties, and then where it says is favorited, you can hit the I, and that's going to show the pinned options here. And then we're also going to turn on the URL option so that we can click on this quickly and easily. And let's move that URL up here. So as you can see, this says all bookmarks. So this is going to have everything. But if we want to create a separate database where it's just our pinned bookmarks, we can go ahead and right click here and duplicate. And that's going to add this second view here. We can just click into these 3 dots, rename it to pinned bookmarks. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on this little pin, add the pinned bookmarks. And then we're going to add a filter, and we're going to go favorite is checked. Okay, and it's only going to show us the bookmarks that have been pinned. Now we can toggle between all bookmarks and pinned bookmarks. And this is a really nice way to kind of navigate around. If we want to, we can also turn on the checkbox on all bookmarks. And we can check this if we want to pin even more. And then we can go back to our pinned bookmarks if we just want to see those pinned ones. All bookmarks, we can manage what is actually pinned. Now, if you'd like to view this in a widescreen view, you can click up on these 3 dots here, change it to full width, and then you're going to get these databases side by side. I like to drag the pinned one up front so that that's what it's going to default to if I'm coming to my home page. And then if you want to hide this bookmarks manager page, you can actually just drag it over into private somewhere else, and it will still function properly, and your home page is just nice and clean. Another good idea is to add some covers for these. So for this website here, I'm just going to hit change cover, unsplash, and we're going to type in chart for this one. And I'm going to back out now and go to all my other bookmarks and add some covers for these. To top off our bookmark manager, we can go ahead and add a call out here, call it bookmarks, and we can make the icon our bookmark. And then you can drag this linked database into here and make that bold. And I think that looks pretty nice. Now, this is an amazing tool, and it allows you to quickly capture your bookmarks. But if you want to capture them even quicker, check out my quick capture video right here. This quick capture video goes along nicely with this bookmarks video because it's going to show you how to create a quick capture module that lets you quickly add new bookmarks. And all of these free tutorials are part of my productive brain template that I've sold, and I've sold it to over 70 people. So this isn't just something that, we're putting out there and saying that it's paid, but it's actually free. This is something that we're literally giving away for free. So definitely check out that video if you want to see how to build out a premium database in Notion. and bring your bookmark manager to the next level. And if you're watching this video right now, within the first few days of it being released, remember to take advantage of the Black Friday sale on our website. All right, with that being said, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Subscribe to stay updated with the content. Make sure to hit post notifications, like this video, and comment below giving me any feedback that you might have. All right, we'll see you in the next one.